how to fix PS5 controller not working in games but working on the home screen. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you want to go into settings. Now here you will go into accessories. So click on accessories. Now you want to go into controller and make sure that this is updated. DualSense wireless controller device software up to date. Make sure it is up to date. Now, one more thing that we need to do here is go back and choose users and accounts. And then you want to go into other and then choose restore licenses. Here you will do this for all of the games where or in which your controller is not working, and just click on restore, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, so after you have done this, this should fix your controller. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.